Nirmala kan yam biaga mal ka Nuar online TV channel te kon ke larm banaling breaking news re which ka South Sudan ban lerme ban je nyakel kan konore ler kana me mi jirama jidit ka Nuar online TV channel gore je no jinder je nyak nasen ko ken ko de ler chi de kan chamala shu ko ji kwasan danen pai ke bridge chuje paro je no bi notification bell bi je twan no gorbe en wajin bi ja cheer ka bi ja lakka bi comment ka kore mi shi no no dong lir comment an lera ban lingwa me you know kwalma nyang juk jani men pen South Sudan o ba wonyam ki ba ji security ba ka lalet rai wika South Sudan jani o cha South Sudan cha je pen kogmeny jani jen me jak security ko cha je bilalet ala security by the way kene de konde South Sudan de kaga you know take a unified force e gorken wo de South Sudan de jagang kene dialati uh, wuda me michal ke kwal manyang juga a gentleman pen ko ba ka laslet o cha mech cha ka pen ji South Sudan no de kan kok de ka kok a mech win rar ko kene dialtin de laslet ko de wegang telemech de kamke no ken me ko de kamke telemech jene dan ku South Sudan ko gor nda ko mech rar de ko be kam ne kontila unified force ke national army tinde ko lo let ngai ko unified force ya ga train gona kenyan jene pen ko ba ga kamrar ga je ki ba ga graduate jene pen ko bu ka barar ka je ko ken telem de be kamke ci kum South Sudan ce la non unified force mat bone dial de ni ken dial cha ko lat gwaskel ka cha ga train ke cha ga nge ke charkel ko bu ga gang na South Sudan do bu da shi kan wulat ke je ngai ko lin kon ta me South Sudan riaka ki we jak o unified force wa tele ka me tet ke den mo da te ngwan ko lin tin ka jen da rame kol man yang juk right gwasa me malado do bu da cha South Sudan cha pe no ko ka me ke je jen me jak ji security ka ki gang ko shaka bil latlet ke shaka bil latlet kol manyang jugjen jaram na la chairman kan national transitional committee rewe ka South Sudan kume men won yam ko de South Sudan der chong ajala kwar mone ana ajene ko shi international community shi kana loko no bika South Sudan bika jako bako mech kaka kan gang dia la konde de laslet de South Sudan jako beteka mal rewe ka South Sudan ajen mi ja ko bi ka jen ko shaka bi laslet ke shaka bi kam let ken ko tele meti de kam ke ko tele meti de rewi ka South Sudan shaka de graduate ke titken ka shaka de laslet ke titken ka ngi kon no we dan ke liu che tiang ka mech mane ne kon ti la hali kol manyang juk che rany mi detail at gwasame ajene ne jen do bran wi South Sudan we je ke je awo tele mech nyok to kon ke liet ano telefon makam ko kon international community international community kan ite kon ti la South Sudan lo ka fan che wo chi kon de ngot ka mila kon ti ni international community no bi ka kon mo ke yo ke bi kon lo ka kwak ano ka de kon ka liet die dan jaten chi kon de limne ko ken ano ka de kon ke resources ki kon ka kwak duno kon rai wika South Sudan la kuma dan South Sudan charge sanction ke charge gak ko wo si kon beden ka yo winde ko ken ano shanam beden ka yo winde ko ken peno kono de kon ngande kon ka lon ko kok keno cha kon peno bana mej bana ko kok amene me international community si kon jako si kon allow no bu kon mej bana ko to ko ko kon ke bu kon national security dan bana ka kula moj ka mej te bu ka kula let ke duno mo te shi international community shi kan kon jako bika kon mo ka kwak tele duom bana won yam kaja you know a jene shang to kon ka yo ban tama bana wo ko kon ka mech you know cha ka bulun ko kok ko pen ka kon ubana kok je chando kon kamach ko cha kon gagrar ko na mene ngon mi cha yat pinya ji international community ajeno chang gor kon de kon ko kamach cha ma je to cha bungun chude me che jelat anamone ajene enemi chi international community chicken kon jako ubana kokongu kamach and dobe me South Sudan ko right now ngum sha security cha ye let ngum sha unified force cha ye let ngum sha we cha de gang jen we cha de gang bang katit ko kuje mo tela duop me de we me de gang aje ajeno enemy chi international community chi kon jako bana kok katin kon tin gor kon ngachit kamete de na de ko ba kaje aban jelin kel gwasa me ka English. The chairman of the National Transitional Committee, Kwalmanyang, has expressed concern that the ongoing army embargo and international sanctions are severely hindering South Sudan's ability to reform its security sectors, forcing the government to graduate unified forces without the necessary arms and equipment. Speaking at the opening of the Leadership Forum on completing the political transition in Juba, Kwalmanyang emphasized that despite the country's vast natural resources, including oil and minerals, South Sudan remained unable to access, loan, or purchase the essential arms due to the international sanctions imposed on it. We can expect the international community to be the one funding our program for building our army, Kwalmanyang said. But what we need, we have resources. We have the oil, we have available minerals. We are not begging anybody to give us, but we can arrange against the resources that we have, natural resources, but we have been sanctioned to the point that we cannot get loan from anybody. I think that is a difficult situation that has been put before us by the international community. The army embargo, Kwal noted, has created a unique challenge for country defense capabilities. He stressed that South Sudan, despite having the financial resources, cannot strengthen its security forces or ensure the safety of its citizens because of the restriction placed upon it. The embargo of arms, even though we have money, the embargo is not lifted. How can we build an army that can protect the people to make election peaceful? Kwalmanyang continued. Security forces have got to be well equipped, otherwise anything we do here will not succeed. Kwal remark highlight the frustration of a government striving for peace and stability, but facing significant roadblock from international sanctions that prevent it from fully equipping its forces and enhancing national security. The Leadership Forum, which is being held over 3 days, is a critical platform for discussion surrounding South Sudan transition, particularly security sector reform and advancing the constitution-making process and preparation for the upcoming election. The forum is being attended by parties to the peace agreement as well as various electoral bodies such as the political parties, Council National Constitution Review Commission, and National Election Commission. The event is organized by the United Nations Mission in South Sudan in partnership with the International IDEA, African Union, IGAD, RJMEC, and CTSAMVM. Kene eti kene kum South Sudan cha security cha jabnang niam ko tele mech tiba kamke tede ko kulolet keje ko international community chikan duop chikan agak chika South Sudan chikan peno da ko kamech ando badane ga ke South Sudan ra ke ko chikan mech bu ko duop edane ne kana civilian ke ne kana joy lora ba chu look international community no South Sudan chebe ko kamech ko la kan meje kok ba kanang bu kana ba kan ko ne ku mo cha ko entem South Sudan ne tele duom by election ki kuin gen ba jalat ke je enemy international community chikan army embargo chikan lift up ala chikan South Sudan chikan no go de kok ke match de kan ken de kan ko graduate ke je ke de kam security ko bi mal be ben ray ka South Sudan kan wuj man nok ko da ta kamal ka jana pen jo bikan match bikan ko ko ba ko kam na kani na mo shi waje mo sha dia wuj mo gwa ke cha dia wuj mal ka kuje mo mal be ben enemy shi international community chikan South Sudan chikan jako der ka ko ko match ka witen ko ken anyoga jana shang to kon ga yodo de kon ko ke chika witen taktia ka jana tella way tella duwo mi ba ka ko je ko international community ja tente gwich we can man le roda mu na ko mu na ko bangwang ba sanction dian ba jala let ko kujamo South Sudan li banu mi international community ci kan sanction ci kana watch ke do bana pen ka o de ka ko ko mekeja ne me agenda na go de nyoya kelan ban jigale rodian biate ma bye bye